I just got my new Avery Easy Load premium heavyweight sheet protectors, and I wanted to do my very first unboxing video because I'm so excited about these sheet protectors. They are the absolute best. So I got two boxes, and as you can see, it comes with a front side, and there are 250. Yep, 250 right here. There used to be 225, but now there are 250 plastic sheets to protect all the things that you need protected in your binders. So that's really awesome. Now, this box has not been opened, but I did get two of these, and they are different, as you can see by the individual UPC codes. This one has a different number at the bottom, but they are the same product, so I just wanted you guys to know that I'm not cheating you out of any of the fantastic features. So, about the box itself. So the box itself is really interesting because it has this neat little flap that you can open right here. So, like you can see, the flap opens here, and then there's this little slot right here that you can tuck the lip back into so that your sheets can stay protected inside. Now, the sheets themselves, there are in fact 250 of them, and they are identical for the most part. However, inside, they're a little different in that they face different directions inside the box itself. So some of them are facing one way and some the other. And I don't really know why they did this, but, you know, that's just the company. So now, if you're not familiar with Avery, Avery is an office supply company, and they provide some of the middle of the road to top shelf premium products. So these are okay as far as sheet protectors go. They're a little awkward because they have this angle here at the top and the bottom, and you open them like this, and then you would take a sheet of paper like the one that I'm about to get right now, and I'm going to slide this sheet of paper right into here. So you can do this a number of ways. You can go straight down through the top and slide it in like that. And, you know, this is a little cumbersome. Or the other way that I'm going to show you today, which is really cool, and, you know, not a lot of people know this, but you can take it and open it up so that you get your document in there, and you put it in. And once it's inside, you put your hand inside the sheet itself like this. See? Everybody see? And then you can push it in from the bottom. And this helps you get it all the way down to the bottom and the corner. Now look at that. That is genius. So then we're going to show you how to load it into your binder. So this is my 2-inch binder. It's gigantic, and as you can see, it's got a lot of loose papers in there, and hole punchers are great, but they don't really protect the page. And if you mark on the pages once, well, then you've marked on them. With the sheet protector, oh my god, you have so many more options. You can totally, you know, use highlighters or dry erase markers, and you'll be able to erase that, and then you can use dry erase markers over and over and over again to mark on things, and you won't have to worry about replacing the sheets or reprinting. So, now obviously this is, one side is a little bit different than the other, as you can see. On my right hand side, it's got this straight up and down, slightly at an angle edge, and that's actually the side you want to put your sheets on to start with. So I'm going to take this, and I'm going to load it in like this, and you want to make sure that you get all three holes aligned with the pegs so that you can just put it down. Now, a lot of people just like to snap it shut with their fingers, but that's really bad for the binder. And so I suggest that you push in the sides first and do it from there. So that way you're not bending any of the very easy to bend metal. Now, when you take these out of the binder, all you have to do is reverse the process, and it opens, and then you pull it out just like this. Isn't that awesome? Now, if you want to remove things from the Avery Premium Heavyweight Sheet Protector, you just pull straight out the top, and look, it's back to good. Anyway, so you can pick these up at Costco, and I got it for like $11.49 per box. So that's a really good deal. I mean, you're getting 250 plastic sheet protectors. I mean, how can you pass up a deal like that? Anyway, I hope you enjoyed my first unboxing video, and I hope to see some from you too. Love you. Bye.